Globalization has changed the face of international trade through forming economic links among countries and creating both new challenges and opportunities for the U.S. grain and oilseed industry. From the producer to the end user, everyone has a role to play in this new global market. Since the International Grains Program, IGP, was founded by the Kansas Legislature in 1978 as part of Kansas State University's Department of Grain Science and Industry, its mission has been to provide educational and technical programs that enhance the market preference, consumption, and utilization of U.S. cereal grains, oilseeds, and value-added products in the global grain industry. Each year, IGP teaches courses to hundreds of participants from across the world.
At IGP, we take pride in our mission to connect Kansas and U.S. producers to the international market. Our focus on technical assistance enhances the value of the commodities grown by U.S. producers of wheat, corn, oilseeds, and grain sorghum.
IGP offers standard and special courses in three main areas: flour milling and grain processing, feed manufacturing and grain management, and grain marketing and risk management. Distance courses are available for those who cannot travel for on-site training. In special cases, IGP faculty tailor courses to meet the specific needs of companies or industry groups. The flour milling curriculum contains courses covering all aspects of the flour milling process, including technical milling, quality control, and HACCP. Courses are open to all occupations throughout the milling industry, and some of these courses are offered in Spanish. Participants in the flour milling courses benefit from state-of-the-art facilities at Kansas State, such as the commercial-sized Hal Ross Flour Mill. Many courses also learn in the tabletop mill and the baking laboratory in Kansas State University's Grain Science Department.
We have a group of flour millers in Nigeria that have been convinced of the superior quality of hard red winter wheat that comes from the Great Plains, especially Kansas. So we have developed that market over the years by bringing the flour millers from Nigeria to IGP to teach them how to most effectively use the product that we supply to make the consumer goods that the people of Nigeria want and desire.
Feed manufacturing and grain management courses cover topics such as feed technology, food safety practices, extrusion processing, grain storage, and more. Courses are available for people in every role in the feed, food, and pet food industries. Many participants gain hands-on experience by operating a pilot-scale feed mill at Kansas State's O.H. Cruz Feed Technology Innovation Center, and by using the latest in extrusion technology in the Bioprocessing and Industrial Value-Added Program Center. Courses in the Grain Marketing and Risk Management curriculum are targeted toward buyers of U.S. grain and oilseeds. The course covers topics such as futures markets, export programs, transportation, contracting, hedging strategies, and more. Some classes include field trips to allow participants to experience the local impact of international trade. Field trip locations include farming operations, grain elevators and processing facilities, U.S. port facilities, and the Chicago Board of Trade. Whatever the course, participants learn from the experience and expertise of university instructors and industry professionals.
I've had the great opportunity to not just visit with trade teams locally. I visited with many of those same individuals overseas in their home countries after they've gone through the IGP program. And the one thing that I hear most from them is how much they've learned in that short amount of time they spent at IGP learning about basic facts, basic knowledge that they need to go home and be more productive, whether they're purchasing grain or processing that grain into animal feed or grading grain. All of those things, IGP helps bring that together to help them be more efficient when they do get back home.
Most courses are based in Manhattan, Kansas at the International Grains Program Conference Center at Kansas State. Courses are conducted in alternate locations in the U.S. and internationally upon request.
Most people don't realize this is a one-of-a-kind program. Nowhere else in the world can these individuals be trained like we do right at IGP in Manhattan. It's truly exciting, and it's incredible to be able to see that.